Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 85514SN. This is a satin anodized nickel aluminum fixed sill residential threshold. Here's what it looks like. 85514 is representative of this profile and this function. The profile, its dimensional properties, its fixed aluminum top. All is inferred in that part number. SN means satin nickel. This is what Pemko's anodized satin nickel looks like. Now, I'm just in the interest of being completely upfront, naturally. Some clients say that's horrible. Some clients don't find it any problem at all. Meaning it's not a faithful sort of finish when it comes to satin nickel. Now keep in mind, satin nickel is a plated finish that's done over architectural bronze, so anodized over aluminum is simply an approximation. The truth of the matter is it may not be acceptable to you. Okay, fine. That's certainly, this video will serve to show you exactly what it looks like. The advantage of this satin nickel, if you have chrome or satin nickel hardware, is that it's not gold and it's not dark bronze. So it's certainly not a great match. It's certainly a lot closer than other options. So just keep that in mind. If I've sold 100 of these, one time a client will say, that color is terrible for satin nickel. It's anodized aluminum is what it is. And they're just trying to do a faithful sort of finish on it. Now, moving on. There is an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties of the item. Let's go over that now. 5 5/8, as you can see. It's going to have an overall height of 1.25 inches. So your undercut of your door is really going to need to be something in the 1 3/8 sort of range. You're not going to need too much margin between the bottom of the door, of course, and the top of the threshold. It's going to give you this 5-degree bevel coming away, obviously to help, just water to pool away from the face of the door. This would be appropriate for your door to sit right over this area. You would want a door sweep installed so that it's going to make contact with the face here. Okay. Now, if you'll notice this feature to the extrusion here, the leading edge, this is meant to take an optional sill extension. You can order in a satin nickel a 3/4 inch, a 2 inch, and a 3 inch extension for this, making the 5 5/8, 3/4 wider, 2 inch wider, and 3 inch wider. Okay, those are very common as well. You'll probably certainly want to order, you will want to order the extension with this for the reason that you'll want to install it with the threshold when it goes in. There is a small hook feature that's down here at the tip of my finger that the extension needs to come in at this angle and then snap in. And doing that after the fact, I can tell you from first-hand experience, it's less than easy because you really need to almost overbend that a little bit to get the hook to come in from the extension and snap around the back side here, okay, or the top of it here. 1/2 inch dimension over here, okay. Now, this will be available in A, speaking of finishes, A for mill aluminum finish, bright dip gold, BDG. It will be a very metallic, shiny gold. You'll be able to 85514 dark bronze anodized finish. That would be the third finish. Mill aluminum, bright dip gold, D for dark bronze, and then SN for satin nickel. Those are the 4 finishes. The 85514 is the sister product to the 84514, which is the same profile and same height, except that it's 4 9/16 wide. Now, there are no holes drilled and there are no fasteners included with a threshold like this because this is meant to be used as a structural member in terms of when the wood frame is built for the door unit. It's not typical that you're going to replace this after a door has been installed because you literally need to extract that threshold out, and the jamb is likely screwed, nailed, or stapled down to this wood structure down here. And I'm going to say that that's just pine is what that is. So this goes in when the frame is built and the unit is placed in the opening from the beginning. So that's why you don't see any screw holes or fasteners. Okay. This is in the site in practically every common length from 2 foot to 8 foot. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you want us to cut the material back to. The reason is it'll be cut to length for you, and you'll get a nice clean factory edge there, and you won't have to deal with potentially cutting it wrong, doing a less than perfect job on the cut, things of that nature. And if you've got 100 of them to cut, might as well just have the factory send them out at the right size. If that is of help to you, order the next longest piece, indicate in the comment field the net length, and that's how you go about ordering custom lengths. Okay. Now, finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko items that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. The name Pemko is synonymous with residential weather stripping and commercial as well. Thresholds, door sweeps, perimeter gasketing. Material made of aluminum, like this threshold, stainless steel, architectural bronze, and Pemko, their summary is this: the broadest spectrum of available products from a single manufacturer you'll find in their catalog. So if you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, familiarize yourself with it or bookmark to it. They've got excellent, prompt, predictable, reliable shipping times, great value, and superb customer service. Any questions on the Pemko 85514SN, fixed aluminum top residential threshold, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.